This week I hit Victor Harbour in search for tuna with Steve and Mike.
Oh, huge baseball.
Oh, it's a decent one, brother.
Yeah. Really nice.
That's a fucking ripper.
Followed by the Coast to Coast tuna competition with Tradie J.
Oh no, don't tell me the dolphin's got the fucking no!
What time's first light?
About 20 past 5, half past 5. Can't see anything.
Baseball. Get ready, boys.
Found birds and heaps of bait,
Yeah, the birds are behind us.
but no hookups.
Okay.
One with a hook in it.
Yeah.
At the
Your
back.
last one. You can put your last one, can't you?
All of them got it. That one's got it. This one's got it. That one and that one. And that
Yeah,
one.
chuck it out, mate.
That's awesome, man.
Let's see it in action.
I really love that. Let's get that out there.
Yeah.
With teaser bars in the water, it was only a matter of time.
Yeah, diving to the left. That was a shotgun too.
Yeah.
Always the shotgun, eh?
Yeah. Weight on him.
Good, might be a nice one.
Yeah.
So one of the rest of them didn't go off. Is that bloody Samaki thingy?
Where's the gaff?
Under here.
This will be a Takumi.
Yeah, Takumi, down under here, Steve. Nice fish. Do you want to back up on it?
Once we get everything in, yeah.
All right. Okay.
That way he's not struggling and stressing it out.
Yep.
Do you want to do that, Steve?
I can do that, mate.
Okay. I got the camera.
Alright, you took nearly half the spool.
Holy crap.
Yeah, it big crack, didn't he?
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. I can feel head shakes. I thought for a second it may have been a shark.
Yeah, that's what I thought it was, actually, to be honest. I
I
thought
can
it was
feel the
shark.
head shakes now.
Filthy if it is a shark. It's a tuna.
Is this GoPro on?
Yeah, it's a big one.
Yeah.
Here he is, right there.
Hello, my old friend. Oh, it's a decent one, brother.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Fucking hell. That's a fucking ripper.
Not a bit.
Yeah.
On the boat. All right, take your time.
Yeah.
Take your time.
Good work, Jace.
So delicate now, eh? Yeah. I'm trying not to put too much pressure on him either.
Right there, I can see him.
Yeah.
Be careful. There he is, he's on his side.
Mate, I'm ready calling 25 on that.
You reckon?
Maybe 20. Nice fish. See, you've got his head coming, head coming.
20.
Easy. Easy.
Yeah, there. No, he's alright. He's coming back.
Trace it.
Yeah, it's 80 pound. Oh, hang on. Just let him run if he needs to. You're not at the trace yet, at the leader.
He goes next time he comes around.
Oh, which is a goodie, mate.
Oh, good. Let
Give
him
her
go.
a couple of good pumps.
Yeah. Once I got once I gain, I'll bring her around. Yep. Over here.
Oh, get away from the engine, get away from the engine.
Can you see him there?
Turn it off and tilt it up, please, Mick. Turn it off and then tilt it up. Ah!
You busted?
No!
Fuck.
I think it might have been his teeth, to be honest.
Yeah, fucking hell.
What was FG?
No, not FG's good.
Bugger. It was on the motor, wasn't it?
No,
Nah.
I think it was away from the motor.
We had a couple of shots too.
Dang poo. Alright.
Alright, let's go again.
Let's go again.
Okay, let's clear these.
Another
These
hookup
babies.
and a chance for Mike to get his first SBT.
Why did only one go off?
Alright.
Yeah, fairly loose that.
Oh, nice heat though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
On the Takumi again.
Yeah. That's the unluckiest lure.
Sadly, this video file got corrupted, but I had to
How
keep
about
the
that?
audio
Anytime
in
now.
there as it
Boom.
was Mike's first SBT.
You want this?
Hey?
You want this?
No, you good, mate. You're already on. All good. It'll actually give me just as much thrill that you land it because you've never caught one, mate.
Right.
Take your time, mate. It's all good. Just make sure you get a good shot.
There we go.
Woohoo! Good boys.
Look at that.
It's a snotty weekend this weekend. Friday, just clocked off work and already the weather is terrible. We've got the Coast to Coast tuna competition on the way to Victor Harbour. I need to pull over and meet the kids and Monique. They're finishing school late, so I'm gonna meet them somewhere, do the goodbye kisses. Love you, son. Oh, I love you, son.
Make sure you wear your elastic.
Freddie J's new car.
Hilton on wheels.
Here's the bang bus. It's the ultimate camper van.
Hat as well.
The cut box.
With bad weather forecasted the following morning, everybody was on standby to see if the competition was on.
Wake up, cunt. Wake up, cunt. It'll be a little bit lumpy around the corner, but
Yeah, you can see
looks right in the bay. Man, there's no lineups. What's going on?
Nice morning,
Yeah, it's a fucking cracker.
Fucking cracker!
Good. Ever going in that car park with that many spaces left? Just as well we had early night. We were cooking up our noodles and SMS came in saying it's a go ahead. Threw the water away and we left. Just keep an eye on the sets. No, you're right.
What one, dude?
Lure, so it should be pretty close. Just tighten it up and then maybe get the orange line in.
Yeah.
I'm seeing colour now. This doesn't want to come in. What do you reckon? Yeah, he's about 10 kilos maybe.
Gotta get him from like hell down
Oh, you know what? Let's swim him in with a swell.
I'll bring him in. No way.
Yeah. Hey, Jay, help. We'll take him in with a swell.
Good.
Nice.
Brag mat.
Oh yeah, the brag mat will be good. Shotgun just went off. It's probably about 25 minutes of blind trawling. We haven't seen any bust ups, but just the one tuna on board so far. Weighed about 25 pounds in the rocky water, so maybe say 20-25 pounds, 12-13 kilos. So that's good. First one for the comp. Tradie J drove well. Still not finished though, trying to get the dildo to go. This guy was hungry, nothing in his stomach. There's nothing in his stomach. No, nothing. Poor bugger. Good burley and bait, but don't need it for now.
There's heaps of them, mate.
Yeah,
Are we going there?
yeah. See what they're up to. They might be following a school, you never know. Or they're just cruising out. On? On? Yeah. Good job. Yeah. You comfy?
Yeah, that's right. Probably take my sunnies off.
I must have a bigger head than you can.
No, my head's pretty big. Between my legs.
Whiz head.
Come on, dilds. I just want dildo. Come.
I just wanted to get smashed while he's there.
Yeah. Oh, dolphin! No, the dolphin one swam across. The dolphin swam across it. Oh no! Don't tell me the dolphin's got the fucking no. Ah!
Yeah.
Fuck! No! You lost everything.
Ah, lure still on?
Nah, gone, I reckon. The dolphin fucking went for it.
So 2 hookups, 1 tuna. The other one got claimed by the tax man. It looked like a dolphin, or I reckon it's more like a shark, but either way we lost that and the lure. Bugger. Heading back in, a couple of hours. That'll do to open the account, get it cleaned up and weigh it in.
Back at camp, always a great watch to see quality fish weighed in.
Gotta go 20, wouldn't it?
Easy.
18.1.
Still good.
Day 2, 5:21 a.m.
5:21 a.m. That's morning.
A few people already left. Still won't be busy.
Which way am I going?
They just kind of striving.
There you go, lineup of three cars. It's fucking rough as guts. Probably a mackerel. Yeah, wind it in, bro. A good size. Yeah, good for bait, perfect.
Oh, should be still there.
Huh?
Oh no, it's still there.
Go on, yeah. Don't give him any slack.
It's coming this way.
You reckon good size one?
Not bad, yeah. The dilds, Jace.
Huh? Yeah, move. Walk him to your side. To your left, bro.
The stubby one.
Oh, yeah. Good job.
Nice, bro.
Good work. Little white bait. Yeah, and the guts. Nah.